Hey, this is Mike again, and I'm back to review the Spartan Industrial 12 by 18 poly bags. You can get them in size in a set of 500 or 500 poly bags. They come in multiples of these. I think these have 50 inside. I forget exactly how many are in the bag, but if you get the 500, it comes with you get a small box. Looks like this, and it comes inside. It has their logo there, so it's backwards. But yeah, so you get a box of poly bags. So this is what they look like. Just one single poly bag. They're very nice because they have the warning label on the bottom, and they have the little sticky here that you can peel off. So as you can see, it is what it looks like. So it stays. It really does stick. It does not. I've been shipping packages for years using these bags, and I've never had an issue with it peeling or breaking or any damages or anything like that. So they're very, very well done, very sturdy. I really like them, so we use them literally every week. We use these to ship packages. So yeah, so if you're looking for a good brand and you're looking for poly bags, definitely recommend checking them out, and hope the review is helpful.